Oh, all right, so I just got my super miner X19 XP. So let's take it out of the box. So this is a huge box that you're going to get. So now let's change the camera. I'm going to grab my knife. There we go. So hopefully you have not been scammed. So I don't know why they send it with this packaging. In the other one, it wasn't like that. But you never know. So I bought it on Amazon the first time, and I got scammed. So I had to return an empty box to Amazon. So at least this one is good. At least this company that you see here, if you want to buy it from them, you can do that. Otherwise, if you want to buy it from me, I can do that as well. I can test it, send it back to you, and that's it. So you see everywhere. So here we have, this is Antminer. This is a huge box. This is a huge box. So now let's open this up. And usually these type of miners, they're different than the rest. The S9 or the prior model where you were able to make it run, with 110. This one you need 2 outlets of 220. So if you don't have that, it's not going to work out. Also, you're going to need the power cores. It doesn't come with it. So as you can see, I'm going to take this out. All right. So here we have the machine and a huge anti-static bag. So hopefully in the other side, you will see it. It says Bitmain everywhere. Always you have to check it because sometimes even they don't check it. They don't make sure that everything is good. I had some of them coming with loose heatsink, so you have to make sure you move it around, make sure that everything is good. Other than that, as you can see here, it says S19 XP. So this is the most powerful miner that you can get today. So I'm going to connect it. I have to take it to a customer, plug it in, set it up, make it work, and we should be good. So if you have any questions, let me know. And if you want me to send it to you, I can try to send you one. Otherwise, you can deal with the Bitmain directly. So this is a quick video, so that way you can know what to expect. I'm going to change the camera so that way you can see. It's heavy, so like I said, it doesn't come with a power cord, so you're going to need 2 electric outlets of 220 volts each one. As you can see, you have a lot of heat that you're going to be dissipating from this device, and I'm going to show you the power cords. These are the power cords that you're going to need. As you can see, this is the shape, so that way you know what you're going to get when you buy a new one. And in the other side, it's just the regular connector, the same connector that you get in a regular PC. So basically, you have to buy those 2, otherwise you're not going to be able to make it work. Okay, so another thing that you're going to need is the Ethernet cable here. Here you have the SD card, hopefully you can see it. And here you have the light. So if you see that it's red, it doesn't work, it has to be blinking green. Other than that, you should be good. And with this, you should be able to reset it if you forgot the password or something like that. So hopefully you have enjoyed this video, and see you in the next class.